Welcome to Rome.
There's nowhere like the Eternal City. Today, I'm sharing my tips and tricks from our first day in Rome to ensure your trip is absolutely perfect. Let's go. We drove 5 hours to JFK to save money on the flight transfer. This made for a very long and exhausting travel day. Do not recommend. That's what you said. Upon arriving to Fiumicino Airport, we headed to customs. The process here requires scanning of your passport, a face scan, and fingerprinting, so be prepared. Please note, the ETIAS authorization system had not yet been implemented for European Union entry when this was recorded. Travelers arriving in the EU nation after April 9th, 2026 must obtain this travel authorization prior to their trip. The efficiency of this airport was impressive. They even offer baggage monitors to help you find the right carousel for your luggage. We took the Leonardo Express from the airport to Roma Termini, Rome's main city station, to our hotel. Just simply follow the signs that lead you to the trains, purchase your ticket at the kiosk, and look for your train to board. Note, this involves a metro transfer, some stairs, and a 5-minute walk over cobblestones. Ensure your baggage is manageable and have sturdy wheels. And then it shows you the trains and the next stops. So you can do first class or second class, whichever you prefer.
Collect your ticket.
The metro is extremely packed, and pickpocketing is a significant issue in this area. Be vigilant with your personal items. So we got checked in, and now we're walking down to Piazza del Popolo. So good morning. We are standing in the middle of Piazza del Popolo. We just got here. We arrived here around 7 a.m. and we dropped our bags. We weren't able to check in, but check out this view. We're here in front of the twin churches. I'll remember their names later, but check this out, a beautiful piazza, one of many that we will see during our 8-day visit to Rome.
They can pickpocket this.
So it's currently about 55 degrees, a little chilly. We're gonna see if we can find some breakfast and and just kind of roam around a little bit. Again, arriving on travel day, so we want to get on their time. We don't have any specific plan today. We're just going to be walking around and getting familiar with the area where our hotel is, which is right down the street again from Piazza del Popolo, which is really cool. So I will check back with you guys in a little bit. Again, we're on the hunt for some breakfast and some mild sightseeing today. There's no plan. We're just roaming around. First day, travel day. Catch you later. Rome is a city built in layers, but it's these narrow passageways where it feels most alive. It's the contrast of deep green ivy spilling over terracotta walls and the cobblestones that guide you along the way. They have the little fire heaters out, the outside heaters, so you can stay warm out here in the 50-degree morning. So not bad. Distinct contrast between the amount of people on the street from 9:30 this morning to 2:30, which is the current time right now. So nice. And it cleared up. It's sunny now. It's not as chilly. It's a little windy, but not as bad as it was this morning. To assist us in getting our bearings on our first day, I mapped out a custom walking route using Google Maps. Our trail began at the Piazza del Popolo. We climbed up to the Pincho for the views and eventually wound our way to the summit of the Spanish Steps. just the edge of the Borghese Gardens, which we'll visit sometime later in the week. But already, just stunning views. The Pincio Hill is a famous scenic hill in Rome, known for its stunning panoramic terrace overlooking Piazza del Popolo and the city skyline, including St. Peter's Basilica. And here we are at the top of the Spanish Steps.
Built by two architects called Alessandro Specchi and Francisco de Santos, and it's the last Baroque style work. Quindi adesso che deve venire.
You're not supposed to sit on the steps, but there's a lot of people sitting on the steps. Rome is home to more than 900 churches, most of which offer free admission. So step inside and experience the beauty within.
Here we go. We got some pasta and fish stuff. She's got some sketty.
Okay, my first bite is good. The sauce is very tomato fresh forward. I like it. Very good.
Always leaving us wanting more. We on the go with YOLO. Yeah, we living it right from the cruise to the road. Every vibe is so tight.